I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: an updated iPhone, unlocked to allow pairing, and the provider account signed in. Now open the app or settings where the key originates. This is how you start the secure transfer. Tap Add to Apple Wallet or the provider's Add Key button and grant requested permissions for Bluetooth and notifications. Once done, follow the on-screen pairing steps to detect the lock. This first phase sets up authentication and connectivity, so the key can be issued safely. You now execute the core pairing. Select the key type in-app, then choose Add to Wallet. Use Bluetooth Low Energy or tap NFC when prompted. Make sure your iPhone stays within 1 to 3 meters of the lock. When the provider asks, verify identity using the code, email link, or SMS they sent so they confirm you're authorized. Once the device and lock exchange credentials, the app will push a secure pass to Wallet. This step completes key issuance and binds it to your Apple ID. You finish by opening Apple Wallet to confirm the key appears and to customize settings like Express Mode or access schedules. Test unlocking while the phone is locked to ensure credentials work in real conditions. If the key doesn't work, first restart your iPhone and the lock, then repair via the provider app. Make sure app permissions, Bluetooth, and firmware are current. If problems persist, revoke and reissue the key from the provider account. This resolves most sync and authorization errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.